In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this fun and very simple effect inspired by this TikTok inverted face symmetry effect. So to begin, let's just be working with a clip on our timeline. Truly, you can do this on any clip. I have to pick one where it's like kind of symmetrical and it'll look interesting, but you can really try it on any clip and see what happens. The first thing we're going to want to do is duplicate the clip onto a layer on top of itself. So there's many ways to do that. In my case, I'm just going to hold Option on my keyboard, click and drag up so that I'll just create a copy of this layer onto another layer on top of it. Now on this top layer is where we're going to want to apply a flip effect. So in the effects panel, I'm going to search for one called flip, and in the transform video effects folder, you'll find a horizontal and vertical flip. I guess you could do either one you want, really, but for this one, we're going to choose horizontal. So this is simply going to flip the image horizontal. So now on the top layer, we have the flipped image. And on the bottom, we have the original, and what we want to do is animate them back and forth really quickly. And the fastest way to do that, I think, is to search for another effect called strobe. So under the stylized video effects folder, you have the strobe light, and I can click and drag this on top of our top layer. And then in the effects control panel, here's where we're going to adjust a few settings so that we're not just adding a white stroke flash under the strobe light effect. You want to just change it from operates on color to makes layer transparent. And this will make the layer transparent, and then the only other one that you want to adjust is the stroke duration and stroke period. So right now at 0.5 second, half a second stroke duration, every 1 second, we're gonna get a blink for every half second is going to switch, which can be fine. It depends on what type of music track you're syncing it to or how fast you want the effect to go. If you want it to go faster, you can simply speed up this ratio so you know every 0.2 seconds you can make it in every 4.4, so now it'll blink every 0.2 seconds almost. And that's a lot faster, or you can make it faster or slower early, so it's a very simple effect. You can add whatever your own touches or play around with it. From here, if you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to stay tuned for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.